Hello guys, today in this video we are going to show you fix error code 0x80070057 on Windows 7 and 10 or 11. So guys, very easy. Just follow some easy step. Firstly, click on Start. Type here File Explorer. Open File Explorer. And then click on C drive. Click on Properties. After click on Tools and click on Check. Click on Scan drive. So guys, we're waiting for some time. After scanning, restart your PC. Restart your PC and you will check your code 0x80070057. So click on Install and type here CMD. After that, click on Run Administrator and type here SFC space slash, type here SFC space slash scan SCN no. Click on Enter. So guys, this is very simple and easy method to create real code 0x80070057 on Windows 7 and 10 and 11. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video and fill out. Thank you for watching.